What's going on, guys? Cage here, back with another crypto coin analysis. This analysis is going to be on the coin ARB. We are on the Binance perpetual chart, so let's get into it. We're on the weekly time frame right now, so we're gonna draw in our market structure on the weekly. We have our low, we have our high, we've made a lower low because there's no valid pullback in this move, so it's one move. We have our lower high and another lower low. So in this weekly time frame, our expectational order flow is going to be down. What also catches my eyes is after we've made the lower low, we're consolidating. And as we can see in the past, when we consolidate, price is either getting ready for a big move up or it's going to get ready for a big move down. Right here. And when we're consolidating, we are either filling up orders on the bottom or we're filling up orders on the top. So we can either push price up or push price down. The consolidation will tell us which direction that's going to be. So let's look at that. We are on the daily time frame right now to look at this consolidation to see which direction it could possibly go. What we have here is our weekly structure, like just drawn, and we're now going to draw our daily structure. So we have our low, we have a high, a higher low, and another higher high. So our daily expectational order flow is going to be another higher low for another higher high. So that means our bias is going to be bullish right now. There's a bit of consolidation right here. And if we know there's a bit of consolidation, there's either being orders filled on the bottom or on the top. This time, it's pretty clear that it's on the bottom because we have a liquidity sweep here. So that indicates possible market makers stepping in price here to then push price up again. And when we extend this zone, we can also see this is holding as support. So what that means is possibly the market makers that stepped in here are willing to push price up again and defend their orders they filled here to once again push price up and make a higher high. So let's look at this consolidation here to see which direction we could be going. This move is down, so we're in a downtrend. So we're going to draw our range from bottom to top. Let's remove this here. We know our bias is up, so we only want to be looking for upside here. We have our range low, we have our range high. Then we have deviation number 1 on the bottom, and we have deviation number 1 on the top. Let's look at this more local picture to see what we can expect next. So we want to look for upside, but where do we want to do that? Well, either we would have to grab extreme liquidity or we would deviate the low once again. Let's extend our range to the deviation points. And also what's nice about this range is when you extend the range, the mid-range will have really nice interaction. So you know you're on the right side and you've drawn in a valid range. So for the third tap, to look for that possible upside continuation, we either grab extreme liquidity or we grab extreme demand. Why I draw this wick demand in? Because buyers obviously stepped in here to push price up again. As we can see also on the volume indicator, there's a lot of volume in this candle here. So buyers stepped in at this moment. So what I want to look for is the third tap. The third tap would either grab extreme liquidity or touch extreme demand and then make a break of structure towards the upside. Or what I want to see is another deviation of the low and then aggressively push price up again back in the range. And when we've done one of these things, then our liquidity model is confirmed And what that means is we've grabbed enough liquidity on the bottom side. So the market makers has accumulated enough orders on the bottom to then push price up again and sell their orders on the other extreme liquidity side. Because when they accumulate this much orders, they would have to get rid of those orders, sell those orders for profit. And where can they do that? On this part, the liquidity of the other side. So that's our bullish situation right now. I do not want to go over the bearish situation because we're in this market maker block right now. So these are the scenarios I would be looking for to possibly step in longs, make a trade, and add to my spot bag. This was the video, guys. I hope you liked the analysis on ARB, and I'll see you in the next one.